Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So this is an unboxing video for Huawei Y9 2019 model. Here are the specs for the mobile. I got myself 64 GB, 4 GB RAM, sapphire blue. Okay, let's jump into the mobile. Okay, slowly. There you go. So the first thing we have is the mobile itself, Y9. So let's keep it aside. Let's jump in. There's some serial numbers for the mobile, as well as a SIM card tool and a protector, some paperworks, screen protector, and a case cover. Okay, now we have a regular charger. It's not a supercharger or quick charge, it's a regular charger. And here's the USB cable to charge your mobile. Okay, and there are some headphones over here. So that's all. So these are all the stuffs you get in the mobile. Okay, and now let me unbox. Okay, there you go. This is 6.5 full HD display, 4 AI cameras, 4000 mAh battery, and 64 GB ROM. Okay, and it's a dual SIM. Okay guys, that's all for the unboxing. I will be uploading another video for the detailed review. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in next one. Bye bye.